Hey, what's up everybody? Well, I ordered me a plasma cutter. Never used one before. Don't know a whole lot about them, but we're going to find out. So today we're going to unbox this thing, and it's the Arc Captain Plasma Cutter Cut 50. I got this on Amazon. They had a $70 off coupon on it. So it was under $200 even with the sales tax. So let's see what's in the box. Well, first thing out of the box is the little package with the cutting torch, lead, some extra tips in it, consumables. I think this is the airline. Like I said, never used one before. This is the first time I've put hands on one. Hose clamps. Got your grounding cable. Little fancy handy dandy carrying strap. Here is the plasma cutter, and it's set up for a 240, but it comes with a fancy little 110 adapter. They even give you some cool little stickers. Instruction guide. And a warranty card. Now, I bought one of their welders, their MIG 200, and I signed up for the warranty, and it's a 2-year warranty, no questions asked. So check that out if you decide to go with Arc Captain. All right, I guess we'll start with the back here. Got your on-off switch, your power cord. Comes in with a built-in air pressure regulator and a water drain valve, which is really nice. You can set your pressure here, and this is the hose for the airline. Just peel this cap off and put it on there with a hose clamp. Has a gauge there to let you know what your pressure is. And then on the front here, you have your that's your cutting lead, I believe. Yeah, honestly don't know. I'm just going to be honest. Okay, so your torch goes in there and your negative goes there. So we'll get this thing set up and get the compressor fired up, and we shall see how it works. And join me in my first time using a plasma cutter, period, and using the Arc Captain Cut 50. By the way, they're not paying me for this. They didn't send this to me. I bought this with my own money. I really like the welder that I got from him, so I figured I would do a review with this. And if any of you guys have never used a plasma cutter, tag along. You can watch how it works for me. If I messed up, you can laugh at me, point out what I did wrong, whatever you want. Just sit back and enjoy the show. And if you know how to use one of these and are an experienced user of a plasma cutter, please drop a comment below. I'm all open for tips, tricks, and advice on how to use one of these. But I'm pretty happy with it, with my purchase so far. We'll see how happy I am with it once I get it fired up and cutting a piece of metal. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a bit.